Hi guys! Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series, which will be uploaded regularly weekly on Thursday and Friday. In today's video, you'll learn how to use the HTML video element in PageFly. HTML video is an element that helps you share a video to make your page more attractive in order to increase the conversion rate. You can share a video about your product or your business. Just keep in mind that the file size must be less than 10 megabytes and Shopify only supports video in MP4, WebM and Ogg format. Firstly, you need to upload your video to Shopify. Here is the Shopify dashboard. Go to the settings. Click Files. And here click Upload Files to upload your video. And here you can see your file uploaded. Copy this URL. Go to the PageFly page editor. In the left toolbar, click Add Element. In the search bar, search HTML video and you can see HTML video element in the media parameter. Click here and drag and drop the element onto your page editor. Go to the General tab, paste the copied URL here. And you can see your video will be shown. Back to the General tab, there are some options that help you configure your video. Turn Show Control option if you want to show the video player control. Turn Enable Loop option if you want the video to play constantly non-stop in a loop. Turn Enable Autoplay if you want the video to automatically play when opening your page. Turn Mute Video option if you want the video to play without sound. In this video, I will turn on Enable Autoplay option and Enable Mute Video option. Now click the Publish. And then Live View to see your live page. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comments section below or reach us via our 24/7 app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, check out other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thank you for watching. See you next time.